Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss the use of compute tab that we have in JAMOVI. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, MS Excel, Mathematical Economics and Econometrics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So here I have the hypothetical data of 10 students and their internal and external marks. Internal marks are out of 50 and external marks are out of 100. Now suppose I want to calculate total marks. So compute command is used to compute or to generate the new variable by using existing variables. So suppose we want to generate a new variable called total marks. So first you go to the column just next to your last variable and then click on compute. You see one variable is generated called E. Now you double click on it. So here we can edit the variable. So this is total. In description we can write total marks out of 150. Now what is the formula? Here we need to define the formula. So it is internal marks plus external marks. So you click here. Here we have the list of variables that we have already defined. So select internal plus external. That means we are telling the software that this total variable is internal plus external. And now you see the total column. Here you can see this small dot. That means this variable is computed by using the existing variables. Now suppose we want to calculate the percentage. So again you select this column, click on compute, double click on it, and now we are going to define this variable as result. So this is final result in percentage. So how do we define this? Again you click on this command, select. Now we need to define this. So it is total into 100 divided by 150. This is how we can convert the marks into percentage, and then you see the result column. Again you can find this small dot here because it is generated by using the existing variables. So this is how we can compute a new variable by using the available variables. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.